Hey guys, my name is Kaylin O'Donnell and today I'm going to teach you some tips for doing your laundry. And so for the first tip, we recommend doing a full load, so putting as much clothes as you can into one load so that you don't waste water and energy. So I just put all of my clothes in the washer, and so what you're gonna do is put your settings on cold and adjust your size of your load to make it appropriate for whatever size you're doing. And we really recommend washing it on cold. It saves you money and energy. So another thing I've done here is I hung up my clothes to dry. It helps save energy and money as well. And so yeah, thanks for watching. Hopefully these were some useful tips for you.